Welcome back to Mr. Dennis's class. Today we'll be making Play-Doh. So you guys all love playing with Play-Doh, so here's an easy way to make it at home. There's plenty of things that we can do with Play-Doh, but first we're just gonna have to make it. Now, it can get a little messy making this Play-Doh, so I'm not gonna do it here in my room. We're gonna have to go over to the kitchen. Alright, ready? Let's go. So here we are back in the kitchen. Before we get started, we're gonna have to wash our hands. So to make this Play-Doh, we're gonna need 3 ingredients. If you remember when we made our cookies, we only needed 2. So here's what we'll need. We'll need some flour, salt, and water. So I'll bring you guys a little closer so you can see how we get started. When we make this, we're gonna need 1 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of salt, and 1/2 cup of water. So I have a nice big bowl to mix my ingredients. I'm gonna fill it up all the way. 1 whole cup of flour into the bowl. I'm gonna need my salt, and I'm gonna use the 1/2 cup also into the bowl. I'm also going to need a spoon so that I can mix these 2 things up. Now, does that look like Play-Doh yet? I don't think so. I'm going to need to add our water. And very slowly, I'm gonna add the water in. Add in a little bit of water at a time. Keep mixing it up. You have to be really strong with this to mix all of these ingredients together. And if it gets too sticky, you can add in some more flour. At this point, I think I can use my hands. And there we go. We have our Play-Doh. You could just leave it like this, and you could play with your Play-Doh like that. But I got some food coloring, and we can make our Play-Doh a bunch of different colors. We have red, blue, yellow, and green. That's 4 different colors. So with our Play-Doh, why don't we try to break it up into 4 pieces? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that I don't get our table dirty, I'm gonna use 1 piece at a time on our plate. When we start with our blue. And with this food coloring, I could maybe use 5 to 10 drops of food coloring. Here, before I get started, I'm gonna put a little hole in here so I can drop the food coloring. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I can mix it in. Whoa. I can roll it up. Whoa. Uh-oh, look at my hands. Now this is a little sticky, so I think I'm gonna add a little bit of flour. Just here. A little bit of flour. I think that's pretty good for our blue Play-Doh. Boom. Now before I get started on the next color, I think I'm gonna have to wash my hands again. My hands are still a little blue, but let's try another color. Why don't we try red? And there's our red Play-Doh. Now let's try our yellow. And there's our yellow Play-Doh. And last, we'll do our green Play-Doh. And there's our green Play-Doh. So we have green, yellow, red, and blue. And you have messy hands. So now that we have all of our different Play-Dohs, we can store these up for 1 to 2 weeks. Now I have some old ice cream containers. I can use these to store my Play-Doh inside. And I can keep it in the refrigerator. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. In some other videos, I'll show you what else we can do with our Play-Doh. Don't worry if your hands get too dirty. It'll wash away eventually. but I'm gonna go try to wash my hands some more now. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.